In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your notebook with your team in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your teammates into the same workspace so everyone can read, reference, and contribute without friction. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type NotebookLM. This ensures you land on the official site, even if you haven't bookmarked it yet. From the results page, look for the official listing that reads Google NotebookLM Share AI Research Tool and Thinking Partner. Click that result to go straight to the product page. On the NotebookLM page, select Try NotebookLM. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be taken right in. Otherwise, follow the usual sign-in prompts. Once you're inside, you can either create a brand new notebook or open one you've already started. If you're starting fresh, give your notebook a clear descriptive name so teammates know what it's about at a glance. If you're opening an existing notebook, make sure it's the one you actually want to share, especially if you keep multiple projects. With the correct notebook open, look to the top right corner of the interface and click Share. This is your hub for inviting collaborators. You'll see a field where you can add people to the notebook. In the invite box, type the email address of each teammate you want to include. Take a moment to double-check spelling and that you're using the correct work addresses, especially if your organization uses multiple domains. You can paste addresses in, and it often helps to keep a short list handy if you're inviting a group. Accuracy here prevents access issues later and saves back and forth messages. When your recipients are added, click Send. NotebookLM will dispatch invitations so your teammates receive a link to join. They may need to be signed into the same account you invited to open the notebook smoothly. Once they're in, everyone will be able to view the same content and stay aligned on sources, notes, and insights you've collected. If someone doesn't see the invite, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder and confirm the email you used matches the account they're using. As a best practice, only share notebooks that are meant for your team and avoid including confidential information that shouldn't be circulated. That's it. Search for NotebookLM, open it, choose your notebook, hit share, add the emails, and send. With this quick workflow, your team can collaborate confidently in one place.